Hello, I am Rajiv Dave. Welcome to Super Smartens. In this video, you can know about present continuous tense, sentence structure, affirmative sentence, subject plus am or is or are plus root form of verb plus ing plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Jwalant is playing cricket. Here Jwalant is subject, is to be form of present tense, play root form of the verb, ing, and cricket is an object. First person singular, I am playing cricket. First person plural, we are playing cricket. Second person singular, you are playing cricket. Second person plural, you are playing cricket. Third person singular, he is playing cricket. She is playing cricket. It is playing cricket. Third person plural, they are playing cricket. Negative sentence structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus am or is or are plus not plus verb plus ing plus object plus rest of the sentence. For example, Jwalant is not playing cricket. I am not playing cricket. Interrogative sentence structure of present continuous tense. Am or is or are plus subject plus verb plus ing plus object plus rest of the sentence plus question mark. For example, is Jwalant playing cricket? Are you playing cricket? In present continuous tense, when ing is added to root form of the verb, apply following rules. If the verb ends in e, delete the e and add ing. For example, take, taking, write, writing. But if the verb ends double e, don't delete the e. For example, agree, agreeing. If the verb ends in a single vowel and consonant, double the consonant before adding ing. For example, sit, sitting. RUN, RUNNING. CUT, CUTTING. PUT, PUTTING. DIG, DIGGING. Some words that end with IE change to Y plus ING. For example, DIE, DYING, LIE, LYING, VIE, VYING, HIE, HYING. Uses of present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to express an action taking place at the time of speaking. For example, the child is playing with toy now. We are moving in the garden. She is telling a story. It means that the action started short while ago. It is continue at the time of present moment and it will continue for a while. Adverb like now, at present, at this moment can be used. Second, the present continuous tense is used to express a temporary action which may not be necessarily happening at the time of speaking. For example, Khevna is doing research at the university. How many of you are learning English? Third, the present continuous tense is used to express immediate plans as well as an action about to take place in the near future. For example, my father is arriving tomorrow. He is meeting Jagruti tomorrow. What are you doing on Wednesday? They are playing a friendly match next week. Note that Normally, the following verbs are not used in the present continuous sentence. Senses: taste, smell, hear, see, etc. Feeling and emotions: desire, want, feeling, like, dislike, fear, appreciate, wish, love, hate, respect, care. Mental status and activity: believe, disbelieve, agree, disagree, differ, doubt, find, forget, imagine, know, mean, recollect, remember, suppose, think, trust, understand, etc. Possession: own, possesses, belong. With verbs like seem, appear, cost, consist, contain, resemble. It is also used in imperative sentence beginning with look, see, listen, hear, watch. For example, listen, Kevna is singing. Run, tiger is coming. Look, the monkeys are jumping on the roof. Now observe these sentences. These apples taste sweet. Right. These apples are tasting sweet. Wrong. I think you are right. Right. I am thinking you are right. Wrong. He looks happy. Right. He is looking happy. Wrong. She has a pen. Right. She is having a pen. Wrong. But with change of meaning, the verbs listed above can be used in the present continuous tense. He is tasting the tea to see if it needs more sugar. Taste the flavor of. She is thinking of going to England. Consider the idea of. We are having lunch. Have means eat. Those who are students, please take guidance from your class teacher regarding this if any confusion.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for our next video of present perfect tense.